Welcome back to our channel, Photography Enthusiasts. Today, we have a very exciting topic to explore: how to create stunning black and white photographs using the basics of DSLR photography. Black and white photography has a timeless and artistic appeal that can elevate your images to a whole new level. So grab your DSLR camera, and let's dive into the world of monochrome magic. Hey everyone, Captain here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to capture breathtaking black and white photographs using just the fundamental features of your DSLR camera. Don't worry if you're a beginner. This tutorial is designed to be simple yet powerful. Black and white photography has a unique ability to evoke emotions, drama, and nostalgia. By stripping away colors, we can focus on shapes, textures, and contrast, creating visually compelling masterpieces. Before we dive into black and white photography, let's get familiar with some DSLR basics. Understanding the exposure triangle, aperture, shutter speed, and ISO is crucial to achieving the perfect balance of light and shadow in your monochrome shots. Take a look at these examples. Using various combinations of aperture, shutter speed, and ISO to demonstrate how each element impacts the final result. Understanding these basics will empower you to unleash your creativity. Now, let me share some pro tips to enhance your black and white photography. Firstly, pay attention to lighting. Soft, diffused light is fantastic for capturing delicate textures, while harsh light can add drama and contrast. Secondly, use the power of composition. Leading lines, symmetry, and negative space play a vital role in black and white photography, leading the viewer's eye and creating a strong visual impact. Lastly, post-processing can be your best friend. While capturing great shots in camera is essential, fine-tuning and editing software can elevate your black and white photographs to a whole new level. All right, let's put all this knowledge into practice. I'll take you on a photography journey and demonstrate how I apply these techniques in real-life scenarios. We'll explore different settings, subjects, and lighting conditions to capture those stunning monochrome shots. Wow! Isn't black and white photography just magical? I hope you've learned some valuable insights today and feel inspired to create your own monochrome masterpieces. That's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more photography tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your black and white photos with us in the comments below. I can't wait to see your incredible work. Until next time, keep honing your skills and capturing those unforgettable moments in black and white. Peace out.